Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a delicious chocolatey cake recipe. And I have here dark chocolate bars, a 5 tablespoons of cacao powder, a cup of condensed milk, and a smashed pistachio nuts and whole nuts, butter, cooking cream, and I have 5 packs of biscuits. Now let's get started. For our chocolate mixture, let's melt our chocolate. Put only 2 dark chocolate bars and leave some for later on use. It's already melted, so let's add our condensed milk. Let's add our cacao powder. Mix it. Mix until all the cacao powder dissolve. And put it in low fire to avoid burning. Now it's dissolved. Once dissolved, put aside and let's melt our butter. Put butter in the pan. Our melted butter is ready. Take out from fire. And put back our chocolate mixture and add our melted butter. Mix all together. Mix until it boils a little bit. It's already boiling. Turn off the gas and put aside. Let's open our biscuit and put them in an empty bowl. And let's start smashing our cracking our biscuits into small pieces. And our cracked biscuits done. Set aside. Once our chocolate mixture totally cools down, let's pour over biscuits. Now let's mix it. Now done mixing it. In here, I prepared our cake molder. I put a cling film inside. And now let's put our biscuit and chocolate mixture inside. Now done filling our molder cake. Let's close it. And let's put it in the fridge for a few hours. And for the meantime, let's melt our remaining dark chocolate. And let's add our creme. Keep on shaking until the white cream doesn't show anymore. And our chocolate sauce is done. Now turn off the gas and let it cool down. Once our chocolate sauce cooled down, let's transfer it into a clean cup. And our chocolate sauce is ready. And after a few hours, let's check our prepared cake. Our Lucy cake is done. Now let's remove it from our molder cake and put it in serving plate. Let's put upside down. Yeah. And remove the plastic.
Look, it's so yummy.
But
Can't
not
wait to
yet
eat it.
done. But not yet done. We need to put more our prepared chocolate sauce. Let's pour over our cake.
Okay. Looks like Nutella.
Yes.
It looks extra yummier. So chocolatey. Can you please give me a piece, Mom?
Okay, but we need to sprinkle first pistachio on the top.
Okay.
And let's add some crushed walnuts. Let's add more pistachio nuts on the top. And our delicious chocolatey cake recipe is ready to serve.